Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, dated 26 November 2021, and I am teaching you chapter number 15, and name of the chapter is Means of Communication. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, I have completed the explanation of the chapter. We have discussed what is the difference between personal and mass mean of communication. Okay, so mass mean of communication, what is mass mean of communication? The means of spreading information to a large number of people in very short time, that is known as mass communication. So student, and what are the different mean of mass communication? That is radio, television, newspaper, magazines, books. These are all important mean of mass communication. Okay, now student, let's start with the book exercises. Now let's start with the book exercises of the chapter 15. So all of you take out your book, open page number 81. Open page number 81. Question number A. Pick the correct answer. So student, question number 1 is a MCQ question. Okay, question number 1 is a MCQ question. For the one answer, 3 options are given and we have to choose the right option. Question number 1, if we need to send a letter written by hand, we visit the option number A, radio station. Option B, bank. Option C, post office. So student, if you want to send a letter written by hand, so by hand letter you have to write. So from where you will we visit the, तो लेटर लिखने के लिए हमें पता है बेटा, we can send hand written letter in 3 ways. That is, so where we will visit. So radio station, no, radio station is not the right answer. Radio, okay. Then bank is also not a right answer because we keep our money safe in the bank and we go bank for taking the money. or to deposit the money. Okay, yes, post office is the right answer, because the facilities which are present in the post office for writing the letter, that is inland letter, you can send handwritten letter by using inland letters, or you can send the letter and by the envelope method also. Okay, after writing the letter by hand, you can put the letter inside the envelope, and according to the weight of the envelope, you can paste the stamp on the envelope. So this is also the way you can send your letter. Okay, so if we need to send, and these all facilities are available in the post office, these facilities are not available in the radio station and bank. These facilities are available in the post office. So if we want to send a letter written by hand, then where will we go? We will go to the post office. Question number 2. First of all, I read the question for you. Question 2. If we need to listen to old speech, we use a. Question number 2. If we need, okay, if we need to listen to old speeches, we use a. Option 1, magazine. We use a magazine. Option B, radio. And option C, newspaper. So if we want to listen to old speeches, ठीक है, तो ओल्ड स्पीच अगर आपको सुननी है बेटा, तो लिसनिंग के लिए बोला है, सुनने के लिए बोला है, ठीक है. एंड ऑप्शन ए एंड ऑप्शन सी, दीज आर नॉट ए राइट आंसर, बिकॉज in magazines and in newspaper the information is in the form of a printed information. ठीक है, इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन किस फॉर्म में होती है? प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में होती है. एंड हियर इट इज, इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन इफ वी नीड टू लिसन. लिसन मतलब यू वांट, आपको सुनना है, तो आप कहाँ जाओगे? आप किस में इसको सुनोगे? रेडियो में. ठीक है, where you will listen in the radio. So that is the reason radio is the right answer. And in magazine and newspaper the informations are given in the printed form. That is the reason they are not the right answer. Question number 3. If the principal has to make an important announcement, she uses a. Third is, if the principal has to make an important announcement, she uses a first option is given, radio. Second option is mic. Third option is intercom. So if the principal has to make an important announcement, she uses a radio. So radio is not a right answer, okay, because principal is in the school और रेडियो में जो भी चीज़ें टेलीकास्ट होती हैं that is from the radio station. So principal is in the school, not in the radio station. Okay. So mic, yes, mic option also principal can use, but mic ऐसा होता है बेटा कि माइक तो असेंबली, मॉर्निंग जो असेंबली होती है आप उसी समय बस माइक से अनाउंस कर सकते हो, उसके बाद तो सारे बच्चे क्लासेस में चले जाते हैं, ठीक है. सो एवरी क्लास हैज ए पीए सिस्टम, इंटरकॉम सिस्टम है सारी क्लासेस में. आपने देखा होगा, स्कूल आने लगे हो, आपके क्लासेस में इंटरकॉम सिस्टम है. अगर मैम को कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट करनी है तो मैम इंटरकॉम यूज कर लेंगी, ठीक है. उससे सारे बच्चों को मैसेज कन्वे हो जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि माइक को हम ऑल द टाइम नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं, असेंबली में माइक यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बाई चांस अगर आपको असेंबली नहीं, आफ्टर दैट किसी समय अगर बच्चों से को कोई मैसेज कन्वे करना है, सो द प्रिंसिपल यूज अ इंटरकॉम. सो इंटरकॉम इज द राइट आंसर. फोर्थ वन इज टू सेंड एन इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज. To send an important message to a friend immediately, we use a to send an important message to a friend immediately. We use a, option A, newspaper, B, radio, and C, mobile phone. So to send an important message to friend immediately, it means that message is a very urgent. आपको कोई बहुत अर्जेंट मैसेज अगर अपने फ्रेंड को सेंड करना है तो we can't use newspaper because it is a mean of mass communication. एक ही इंफॉर्मेशन को हम लोग लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल के संग शेयर करते हैं, तो we can't use newspaper. Radio is also not a right option. Okay, so and तो रेडियो के लिए आपको रेडियो स्टेशन जाना पड़ेगा, वहां से प्रोग्राम टेलीकास्ट होते हैं, तो रेडियो स्टेशन से भी आप अपने फ्रेंड को इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज नहीं सेंड कर सकते. सो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? दैट इज हियर मोबाइल फोन. ओके, सो अब कोई बहुत अर्जेंट मैसेज है आपको अपने फ्रेंड को सेंड करना है तो यू कैन सेंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर मोबाइल फोन. इज इट क्लियर? Fifth one, to watch a live match we use a ओके फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी अदर कंट्री में कोई मैच हो रहा है और आप उसको लाइव देखना चाहते हो, ठीक है, लाइव टेलीकास्ट यू कैन वॉच इन योर टेलीविजन. ओके, सो ऑप्शंस आर रेडियो, ऑप्शन बी टेलीविजन एंड ऑप्शन सी न्यूज़पेपर. सो रेडियो इज नॉट ए राइट आंसर, क्योंकि टू वॉच यहाँ वॉच करने के लिए बोल रहा है एंड रेडियो इज यू कैन ओनली लिसन द कमेंट्री ऑफ दैट मैच. आप सुन सकते हो, क्योंकि ऑडियो फैसिलिटी इज अवेलेबल इन योर रेडियो. आप सिर्फ सुन सकते हो, यू आर अनेबल टू सी इन द रेडियो. सो यू कैन लिसन द कमेंट्री इन द रेडियो. ओके, टू वॉच ए लाइव मैच. सो the most popular mean of communication, mean of mass communication in today present time, that is the television, because in the television we can listen and we can see the pictures also. Okay, we can watch the program in our television. So if there is any live match, so you can watch that live match in your television, because audio or visual both the facilities are present in this mean of communication. Okay, so the right answer is television. And newspaper is not a right answer, because newspaper is here the information is in the form of a printed form, so you can't watch a live match in a newspaper. So that is the reason newspaper is not a right answer. Now let's start with question number B, that is fill in the blanks. Question number B, fill in the blanks. Question 1. First of all, I read question for you. We dash our thoughts and feeling through means of communication. So what we can do, student? Okay, so what we can do with the help of means of communication. So first question is we dash our thoughts and feelings through means of communication. So we dash our thoughts and feeling through means of communication. तो हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, दूसरों के संग हम क्या करते हैं, शेयर करते हैं. we share our thoughts and feeling through means of communications. Okay, for example, when we speak, when we listen, when we read and when we write, so these are the way by which we can communicate with other people. And there are many methods of, or you can say there are many means of communication by which we can communicate with the other peoples. For example, I have already explained you, when the human beings learn the language, how to speak, and when they learn how to write, then in old time the mean of postal communication become very popular. So they start writing letters to their friends family members and relatives. Okay, thank you student.